Hi, I'm Bruno, and this is the first exercise of my quiz number 3. We have to find the derivation. So first, the third root, we turn it into x to the 1/3, and the 5 stays the same way. And now the other fraction is the same. Now that we have this, we can derivate this one with the nx to the n minus 1. So is 1/3 of x to the 1/3 minus 3/3 over 5. Now that we have this, we do the other one. That is minus 3, but now what we're gonna do is, because of this one that is negative and is below, we have to pass it to the front. So is this by minus 1/3, and then now we can do the x to the minus 1/3 minus 3/3. Now that we have this, it's only part that the 3 goes with the 5, so it's 1/15, and the x, because of the 1 minus 3, is minus 2/3, so it's x to the 2/3 in the part that is down. Now the minus multiplication by minus is positive. 3 by 1/3 it's only 1, so it goes that 1 over the x to the minus 4/3, so it goes below and positive. So this is our final result. Okay, this is my second exercise, and first we are going to multiply the x and the x to the 1/2, so is x to the 3/2, because 1 is 2/2, and this one that is a only half, it goes to 3/2. This is all divided by x to the 2/3, because it's a third root. Now that we have this, that is everything to the 1/2, because it's a square root over all the equation. Now that we have this, we can do that this goes to 6, and this goes to 4. This goes to 6, and this goes to 9. Only for half, this as 4/6, and this to half 9/6. So now we can assume that is x to the 9/6 divided by x to the 4/6. So is x to the 5/6, because 9 minus 4 is 5. This is everything to the 1/2. Now that we have this, we only have to multiply, because this over this, so is x to the 5/12, because 6 multiplied by 2 is 12. Now that we have this, we can do this rule, and it led us by 5 over 12x to this one. So our final result is 5 over 12x that is negative, so it goes in the part that is down. So it's x to the 7/12. And this should be our final answer. Now this is my third and last exercise of the quiz. And first we need to derive this, so we can go by 1 over 2x to make this -4 positive. So now that is positive, is everything. So we can go that 1 over 2 to the 4th is 16. So it's 1 over 16, and the x goes x minus 4. Because we always need to derive the x when it's in the upper side. So now that we have this, we can multiply -4, that is 1 over 16, and applying this rule, the nx to the n minus 1, it led us to this multiplied by -4 goes to the x to the -4 minus 1. So we can see that it goes to -4 over 16, and the x goes x to the -5, so it's x 5 in the part of that is down. Now that we have this, we can even simplify it, so our final result is 1 over 4, because this over 4 is 4, and this 4 over 4 is only 1, and the x to the 5. And this should be our correct answer. Thanks a lot.